Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica guys. So guys, today we are gonna make some tomato sauce. Yes, tomato sauce. So right here guys, I got a lot of tomato, plus I already have a lot of tomato in my freezer, so I didn't want to put more tomato in the freezer. So right here guys, I'm just taking off the label that come with the tomato, and I'm gonna wash them, clean them, and take out some of the seed to plant in my garden, and I'm gonna make my pasta sauce. So come along with me guys, watch the process, and if you do try this, let's drop it in the comment section and let me know. So there you go guys, all the tomato been cleaned and washed, and so guys, I'm gonna put them in a food processor. But guys, guess what, I'm trying to put the tomato in the processor before I cut them up. Learn quick, catch it quick. So right here guys, you see I'm cutting up all my tomatoes, and I'm gonna put them in the food processor. Yes man guys, I buy this food processor a good while ago. I never really use it, but now I'm using my food processor because I realize that I can make my own stuff and keep them in my freezer. So right here guys, I'm gonna blending out, puree it out guys, and so that I'm gonna watch the process guys, watch the process. Guys, sometimes you have to learn to help yourself. Don't run to the store and buy everything. Some stuff you can do it yourself. So just watch here guys, as sorry about the video being speed up guys, because this video was a long video and I didn't want it to go over 30 minutes, so that's why I speed up some part of it. And as I go through, I'm cutting up all the tomatoes, cutting all the tomatoes. And guess what guys, when I done strain out all these tomatoes, I'm gonna use this seed. I'm gonna put the seed in my compost, and so whenever time I plant, you use that compost from my garden, the tomato seed gonna grow. And so I don't have to buy tomato sucker or tomato plant in the store. I just use the tomato seed and they will grow to give me tomato. So you just watch here guys, as I'm continuing to puree out the tomato. But this is what I'm doing. So guys, how are you guys doing today? I pray that you all are doing well. So guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to this community where I do simple stuff guys, simple stuff. For those of you who've been watching my videos before guys, I changed my name. I know I keep changing the name, but I finally find a name that I like: Yard Abroad with Erica. So guys, if you come across this video, subscribe, put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. Yes guys, most of my content will be faceless, some of them will be silent videos. I hope you like them and appreciate these videos. I just do simple stuff guys, simple stuff. I don't do the extravagant stuff. I just do simple stuff. Whatever I cook, whatever I do on a daily basis, that's what I just video. Someone might learn something, because in this process right here, someone will learn something. That if you have excess tomato, don't let them waste, don't let them rotten, don't throw them out. You can make your own tomato sauce. And even though you make a tomato sauce guys, you cannot leave it just in the fridge, or you cannot leave it out on the counter. You have to keep it in the freezer. So you will see how I make my tomato sauce, and then how I preserve and keep it. So right here guys, you see all that tomato paste, tomato seed and stuff still in here, pulp is still in here. So guys, I'm not finished with it yet guys, because I practice not to throw away anything in this time and age, because things is so expensive. So I have one of these strainer. It's like a strainer like so I just use it whenever time I'm trying to do something that need a strainer guys. You see all that mess on the counter? Yes guys, prepare for that mess. And here guys, whoa, the thing already have a hole in it. Have a hole in it, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this strainer thing until there is no way I can continue using it. Am I cheap? No, I'm not cheap. I just like to, I'm not quick to throw out stuff that I can still continue to use. So guys, I'm squeezing out all the excess juice from that tomato. I'm squeezing out everything. And so guys, all the pulp that left over, as I said, I'm gonna keep it to put in my garden to grow tomato. Yes man, I have a tomato garden. I have a backyard garden that I plant stuff in the summertime. Even though sometimes I have a hard time because the cold weather kind of keep things from going the way it's supposed to. So right here guys, you can see that I already do everything. See, all the excess tomato juice is right here, stirring everything together. So what to process, guys, so I'm gonna put this on the stove to boil. I'm gonna season it up with some all-purpose season, some powder season, and right here, guys, I have some barbecue sauce, guys. As I said, I don't throw away anything. So we were doing some chicken for our event, guy, and we have we did too much barbecue sauce for the chicken, and whatever left, I save it in my fridge, and right here I am putting it in the the pasta, the tomato juice. So I'm stirring it out, guys, to make everything combine. So right here I'm pouring everything in the pot and do my thing, guys. So this is the second process of how to make your pasta sauce. You're gonna put it on the stove, turn on the stove, not too high, maybe on medium heat, and let it boil up. You can turn up the stove, guys, until it boil up. So right here I'm putting in some garlic powder. Now I'm putting in some onion powder. So guys, all the seasoning that you use to cook, you can use it, guys, to spice up your pasta sauce to make it taste good. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm seasoning up my pasta sauce. That's some Jamaica all-purpose season. Guys, I'm really making this thing taste popping. So I put all the season that I could use in the pasta sauce. So whenever time I make pasta, every now and then I make pasta, I could use a little bit of this pasta sauce too for my pasta, instead of going out to buy pasta sauce. And as I said, guys, you have to keep it in the fridge. This is another one there, guys. I have some coconut. Yeah, man, I was gonna make some rice and peas for church, and I got some coconut because I wanted to taste the real coconut, not the powder. So I get some coconut, I cut it up, and whatever left over, I'm gonna put it in my fridge, because guys, whenever time I want to make some porridge, I want to make some rice and peas, or I want to make some rice, coconut rice, I just go in my freezer and take out some coconut, add some warm water on it, let it sit for a few minutes, and put it in my bullet and blend it out, and voila, there you go. I have my own natural fresh coconut milk. Right there, I don't have to go to the store to buy coconut powder, coconut milk, because I already have my coconut in my freezer that I use to make my coconut milk. So guys, if you see coconut on it reasonable in the store or the supermarket, just buy your coconut, take it home, cut it up, bag it up, and keep it in your freezer. Right here, guys, I'm already done, and I have a bag that I had bread in, and I'm reusing that bag. Yes, guys, I love to reuse stuff. So right here, I'm reusing the bag. I put the coconut in there, and I'm gonna keep it in the freezer. So right there, I didn't have to go out and buy another bag because I already paid for this bag. So right here, guys, I have some fresh thyme because I went into the city, and where in the city things are a little bit cheaper. So because I'm in the country, so in this city things are a little bit cheaper. So right here I buy myself some thyme, and instead of put down the thyme, guys, for it to lose the smell and all of that, I just put it here, pick it out, make sure there's nothing in there that is not supposed in there. Guys, the thyme is already washed, because I know somebody gonna say the thyme, I'm cutting up the thyme, blending up the thyme, and I didn't wash the thyme. Guys, when I do my stuff, I don't wash them on the video. I just turn off the video and go wash them and come back. So this thyme is already washed, guys. I sort it through, make sure it's nice and clean, and cut them up. Guys, I buy some cornstarch today from the next door store to use for the pastas, and it's a lucky thing, guys, I keep seeing this black thing come up in the thing. So I'm saying, what happened? Come to find out, my cornstarch are weevil. It's a lucky thing I have some arrowroot powder, so that's what I'm gonna use to thicken the pasta sauce. So right there, guys, you see I put the arrowroot powder or the arrow mixture in the pot to thicken the pasta sauce. Yes, man. So guys, when they say in Jamaica you have to turn your hand and make fashion, this is what I'm talking about, turning your hand to make fashion. How did they thicken pasta sauce? They had to put something in there to make it thick, and this is how I figure out to use arrowroot powder to thicken my pasta sauce. I tried to use this cornstarch, come to find out cornstarch have weeble because I didn't use it up fast enough, or maybe I brought it from the store with it with the weeble. But right there guys, you see I put some salt in because I want it to taste nice. So whenever time I'm ready to cook my pasta, my sauce is ready, already seasoned. All I have to do, put it in a pot, defrost it, and cook my pasta and pour it in, and there you go guys. I'm tasting the pot and it tastes so good guys. Yes guys, you see all that boiling? It's popping over here guys. When you come in my kitchen, smell like I was in a restaurant because all that pasta. And here me go back guys. Now I'm gonna blend up my thyme. Yes guys, I put some oil, so I'm gonna put some oil on it. You see I put some oil on it guys, so I put some oil on it and I'm gonna blend it out. There you go. How am I gonna keep this guys? I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna flat it out right there guys. You see I'm putting it into a Ziploc bag guys. This thing come back out with the same smell, the same flavor, everything. So right here guys, you see I'm scraping out my container. I'm gonna make sure I scrape out everything because nothing will be wasted over here. Oh no madam, oh no sir. So right here you see guys, I put everything, even with some still left in the container guys, I scrape that out, I wash it out, and I did pour it in the bag because with some oil to keep to, you know. So right there guys, when you put this in the freezer, it gonna frost up a bit. So right here I have some parsley from my pantry. I get some parsley, and I also I blend out the parsley, but when I blend it, it doesn't come with the same smell and the same flavor. So that's why this time I say, you know what, I'm gonna blend out my parsley, put it in Ziploc bag and keep it in the freezer. So every time I'm gonna cook guys, I just run to my freezer, grab a bowl, grab a plate, and get all my seasoning in one container, and then to cook down what I'm doing. So right here guys, that was a lot of parsley, you know guys, and I will not allow not even a drop to waste. So guys, there you go. I put it in a bag, put it down flat it out, and when I'm ready, I just pop off some. Although guys, in the end it was not that easy to break off, but every time I need some, I just grab a spoon, grab something and chop it up, break it up, and get what I want. So right here I'm making a second batch. This is the second batch guys, because as I said, over here we don't waste anything. I use my freezer to preserve and to save and to store stuff guys, because in the pandemic guys, because we were in food ration, oh Lord, I get the biggest freezer in the store, the biggest freezer. So now you come to my house guys, my freezer have chicken, it have everything that is in excess. So if there comes a little drought and food, at least I know I have food for at least a month or 2 or 3, because in my house we don't eat as much as we used to eat. We eat, but we don't cook a lot like how we used to. So right here guys, you see I grab another Ziploc bag and I'm pouring this parsley in here. And you see guys, it's so nice it come out guys. It is so nice and green, and the same color you see it have right here guys is the same color it will keep in the freezer. It will not change color in the freezer guys. So if you want to preserve your herbs, don't let them dry, because when I dry them, they don't come out with the same smell and the same flavor. So that's why I take this step into put them fresh and green in the freezer. So right here guys, you see my thyme. That's my thyme. Oh, thyme for days. That's my parsley for days. At least I have 2 bags of parsley guys. You know I wanted to give away one of the parsley, but I changed my mind because I have a big event coming up in December, and all this parsley and stuff will be seasoning up my fish, my chicken, and anything that I cook for that event. Not to mention I will be having coconut already cut up in my freezer, so when I ready to do my event, I just grab some, blend them out, and there you go guys. So guys, if you like this video, comment. And here you go guys, my pasta sauce is cooled down. already cooked and cooled down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bag it up just the same. I'm gonna zip it up in Ziploc bag, put it in Ziploc bag, and keep it in my freezer. So right there, guys, I have 3 Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna zip them out. So I'm gonna portion them out according to how much I'm gonna use every time, because as I said, we don't cook a lot of food around here anymore. So if one of these, and it's not even full the Ziploc bag, I think I put half. Yes, so right there, each bag have half or less than half bag. So I'm gonna keep it in the freezer, and every time I need some for tomato sauce, I'll just pull out one and use it. And maybe if I'm doing chicken too, you know, guys, one of these days I'm gonna try to see if I can use this like a barbecue sauce on my chicken. So instead of using barbecue sauce, I'm gonna test this out one day to see if I can use it on my chicken. Yes, where I'm baking chicken, or I'm gonna fry some chicken and see if I could put this on my chicken to see if what the flavor I get and what the outcome will be. But I think I should do a small portion of chicken first before I test it out. Yes, yes, yes. So guys, you see, just watch the rest of the process. Guys, if you are still watching, thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and thank you for subscribing. Just help me to grow my channel, guys. This is a little old lady. Well, I wouldn't call myself a little old lady, but I'm up in age. And so I stay home, I babysit my grandbaby, and so I make myself active by doing this YouTube channel, guys. Simple things, simple stuff I do. Make baby food, whatever I cook, I video it and I put it up on YouTube, because I know someone out there will learn something from these videos. So just watch the video, guys, comment, subscribe, and support the channel and help me to grow, guys. It might not be perfect like the professionals, but that's okay. It's okay. I don't have to be perfect like the professional. I learned to voice over now, so learn to edit a little bit. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of my community. So guys, right here, I think I don't think I'm gonna have enough to have a second half bag, but that's okay. Maybe I will use this bag to test out the chicken next time to see how this gonna taste, and baked chicken, fried chicken, what kind of chicken. Knowing me, guys, I probably gonna use this also to cook my chicken, and cook down some fish too. So thank you so much, guys. So right there, guys, you see I get 4 half bags. Sorry guys, I have sinus allergy. So guys, right here I got 4 half bag. I don't need more than that. So guys, look at this. All of this, just sacrifice some time and put all this that you don't have to buy at the store. I didn't buy them. I got them free, and I make sure that I did not waste it. I did not let it spoil. And so guys, if you get some stuff, don't let them spoil. Use your freezer for storage and store everything. So my time look good, guys. Even yesterday I cooked with some time from the freezer. There go my tomato sauce. Guys, tell me that the tomato sauce now look good. Yes guys, the tomato sauce look nice. Hey, yes man. And look at my parsley. So guys, just like how you see I put them flat right here, I put them flat in like the parsley and the thyme, I put it flat in the freezer. But my freezer is so full, guys, I didn't even have space to store them. But I just find little corner in my freezer and put them. So the tomato sauce is not flat, it just sit down somewhere in the freezer. So guys, let's put your freezer to use by not only storing meat, but store your coconut, store your vegetable. So right here, guys, you see how much my freezer full, guys. I'm waiting for summer to come because I need to defrost this freezer. Every summer I defrost my freezer. So right here, I'm getting ready to defrost my freezer soon guys. But I have to make sure I have place to put all these stuff, because it's a lot of stuff in this freezer, you know, guys. I have to find space, guys. Right there, guys, you see that plastic buckle. My brother was here in the UN. No, not in the UN. My brother was here and he makes some jerk chicken, and that's this season that he used to put on the jerk chicken, and I did not throw it out, so I keep it in the freezer. So the next time my brother come here, he will have the same season to use on jerk chicken. So I come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do have yourself a blessed one.